Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all WordPress content and start over. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. At the top right, click the Login button. In the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can manage your content. On the right-hand panel, locate the Templates tab. Click it to view the templates that control your site's layout. From here, find the Blog Home template, which usually contains your main content. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them and select Reset. WordPress will then ask you to confirm. Click Reset again to finalize. This clears all your site content and settings, giving you a clean slate. Be sure to back up anything important before resetting, since the action cannot be undone. So that's basically how you can delete all WordPress content and start over. That's it for this video. Thanks.